Hi, good day, my sister and brothers. Welcome to the Maker House of AED. Let's create your dream world with imagination. Pride and Prejudice is a classic novel by Jane Austen that explores love and class distinctions in British society. The story primarily revolves around Elizabeth Bennet and Mr. Darcy, who initially clash due to misunderstandings and pride but eventually fall in love through mutual understanding. The Bennet family, consisting of 5 sisters, becomes the focus of the narrative. Their mother desires to marry them off to wealthy gentlemen. At a ball, Elizabeth encounters Mr. Darcy, a wealthy yet arrogant gentleman. Initial displeasure arises between them, fueled by Mr. Darcy's pride and Elizabeth's prejudice towards his social status. However, as the story unfolds, they gradually discover each other's true personalities and overcome societal class barriers, leading to a marriage born out of genuine love. Symbolic significance. Social class. The novel portrays different social classes, reflecting the class distinctions prevalent in British society at the time. Mr. Darcy's pride and Elizabeth's prejudice stem from differences in social status, symbolizing societal stereotypes related to class. Love and reason. The love story between Elizabeth and Mr. Darcy emphasizes the importance of reason in romantic relationships. Through mutual understanding, they overcome initial misunderstandings and pride, ultimately finding true love. This symbolizes the value of genuine emotions. Marriage concepts. The novel depicts prevailing marriage concepts of the era, highlighting the influence of societal expectations on character choices and marriage beliefs. It underscores the conflict between traditional values and individual pursuits. In summary, Pride and Prejudice delves deep into societal class, love, and marriage concepts, offering rich symbolic significance. We, at the English Creative Maker Workshop, leverage AIGC to visually represent the novel's content and symbolic meanings, creating a book cover design that encapsulates the essence of the story.
傲慢与偏见通过爱情故事深刻地探讨了社会阶级、爱情和婚姻观念，呈现出丰富的象征意义。我们在英语创客小站试着结合 AIGC 工具运用，将傲慢与偏见小说内容和象征意义视觉化呈现，设计一张独